To add a Costco membership to Instacart, start by opening the Instacart app on your device and navigating to the account settings. From there, select the option to link a loyalty or membership card. Choose Costco as the retailer and sign in to your Costco account. If you do not have a Costco account, you can create one on the Costco website and then return to the Instacart app to link it. Once you have signed in, you will be prompted to enter your Costco membership number. This can be found on your physical membership card or by logging into your Costco account online. After entering your membership number, Instacart will verify the information with Costco. After verification, you will be able to shop from Costco on Instacart and access member prices. To do this, navigate to the Costco store on Instacart and start adding items to your cart. As a Costco member, you will see the member price for each item. When you are ready to check out, review your order and proceed to payment. It is essential to note that you must have an active Costco membership to access member prices on Instacart. If your membership is not active, you will not be able to link it to Instacart or access member prices. Additionally, some items may not be available for purchase on Instacart, so it is crucial to review the available items before checking out. To get the most out of your Costco membership on Instacart, make sure to review the prices and availability of items before checking out. You can also use the Instacart app to track your order and receive updates on the status of your delivery. By following these steps, you can easily add your Costco membership to Instacart and start accessing member prices and exclusive benefits.